Good morning, guys. All right, so starting my day off with a nice hot brownie and a decaf hazelnut coffee. We are expecting a huge nor'easter snowstorm here sometime later today into tomorrow. We're expected to have anywhere between 12 and 18 inches of snow. So my body wants warm, and we're having the brownie and coffee to start the day off, right. I'm excited, and let's get this day started. All right, see you at the next fueling.
Whew, it's cold. We're getting a blizzard, guys. 12 to 18 inches. Again, I mean, things could change because you know the weather is never right, but it's freezing. It's 30 degrees here right now. It's below freezing. We are just waiting for this to happen. So that's why I'm running to the office sooner than later. I don't want to get caught in the snow. But in tow, I have my peanut butter bar, cinnamon sticks. I'm getting low. Last night I placed an order, getting in some hot chocolate and a couple of other things, and I feel so good. And guys, your love shined through. Believe me when I tell you, heartfelt. I love you all. Thank you for supporting me in that video last night. You guys are amazing. I love you all. Let's get going. All right, guys, so we are back from the office. I stopped at CVS because I needed some foundation. I was out, and this is the one that I use most of all, to be honest with you. I do use MAC, but this one is my absolute favorite. It's by Maybelline Fit Me. I have very dry skin, so if you have dry skin, try this brand out. It's awesome. I love it. It doesn't make it drier, and it doesn't make you shiny. It just gives you a little bit of coverage. It's not like a heavy coverage foundation, but it's really good. Again, it's Fit Me, and the color I wear is 322. What's it called? Warm Honey. So that's what I got. Haven't eaten my sugar sticks yet because it's not time, but I'm gonna get inside and do a little bit of work. My next fueling is going to be these in about 25 minutes from now. So I'll just say that this is going to be fueling number 3, and I'm feeling really, really good. I want to show you the sky. Look at the sky here. Woo! We are getting snow. It's coming, and it's freezing. It's right now 28, so the temperature's dropping. Snow should be arriving here within the next hour or two, so we'll keep you posted on that. So we'll see you at the next fueling, and thanks for sticking around with me today. So we're out anticipating that snow, and I decided to have mac and cheese rather than the sugar sticks because it's so cold. And you know I like my mac and cheese, even though everyone says it tastes like dirty feet. It's cold. So going for my quick 3-mile walk. We're going to do a 3-mile walk because if it gets really bad later, these two will not go anywhere. They don't like to go out in the rain. They love the snow, but it can't be snowing when they're out. It has to be like done. It's weird, right, girls? So I'm gonna take them out and empty them out so they're good. And it's cold, but that's still no excuse. I'm still getting out, and that's what I want to tell you guys. You may live in a cold climate and feel like, oh, it's freezing, I don't feel like getting up and getting out, but please do it. It's important. Get outside, get your air, get some exercise, 30 minutes each day, just some simple walking, right? And that's what we're doing. So see you back at the house. Okay, guys, it's the next day. Totally forgot to film the rest of yesterday, but we got a lot of snow. They're saying we got about 9 inches. I don't know if you can see. It's like up above here, the little fire hydrant. But yeah, we got a lot of snow. Sorry about that. I just like lost my focus yesterday with filming because we were so concerned about the snowstorm that we just got, and it is still snowing a little bit. The report is 9 inches, somewhere around there. It's definitely cold and beautiful outside. So I'm going to start the day off with a mint cookie crisp bar, a cup of coffee. I'm going to go fix up myself get ready for the day, and maybe I'll take you exploring outside. So last night, went to bed with a loaded sink, which I never do. So I am gonna get this stuff in my dishwasher. I figured I'd let you watch. Let's go. Well, that was fun, said no one ever. All right, time to take the dogs out. We're going out in the snow, gonna bundle up, and I'll take you outside. Let's explore.
Getting the old boots on. Oh my God, I have dog hair all over my pants. These boots I got actually at Costco not long ago. Aren't they cute? Are we gonna go outside? Yeah, we are. And look at this one. Oh, Paisley, are we going? What do you say, girls? All right, let's zip up the boots. All right, let's go.
Look how much snow we've got. Oh, what do you say? Woohoo! It's so pretty. Oh, go, girls, go. They love it. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. And it sparkles. Go, Molly, go. Go, Mom. Oh, there she goes. They love it. Where is she? Oh, there she is. Where is she? Where's Molly? Molly, girl. Where is she, Paisley? There she is. I see you. All right, I'm going to get the shovel from the shed. I got to do the steps while Jess is on a Zoom call for work. Okay, well that was fun. And now I'm freezing and it's time to eat again. So I'm going to make the rustic tomato herb pasta. And I have a trick because I see a lot of you saying that when you put it in your microwave, it bubbles over. So I've shown this before, but in case you're new here, I have a trick that is fail-proof. You can put it in the most shallow bowl and it'll never spill over. Want to see how? Let's go. All right, so here's the trick. You fill a glass almost to the top with water and you put it in the microwave with the bowl of whatever fueling that usually bubbles over. This water, for some reason, sitting next to the bowl in the microwave will prevent it from spilling over. Watch this. All right, so let's mix this up. And you can see how full this bowl is, but it's not gonna spill over. Nope, not with this tip. Telling you, I don't know where I saw this like years and years and years ago, but it works every time. All right, so it's mixed. In the microwave she goes, and right next to it goes the glass of water. Close it up. We're gonna set the timer for 2 minutes, and we'll be back. 3, 2, 1. Let's check it. And we're back where we started. And look,
okay? Hasn't spilled over. So that was 2 minutes, so I'm gonna stir it up again. We're gonna put it back in for another 2 minutes. Isn't this the coolest trick ever? All right, back in. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, back in. Another 2 minutes. See you back here. All right, just ended. Let's check it out. And there you go, guys. No spillage. The cup of water, I'm gonna spill it out. And the bowl of pasta, let me use a paper towel because I'm sure that bowl is gonna be hot. But, all right. How much do you guys love me? Let me see in the comments. This is going to save your microwave every single time. Petunia. Petunia and I are all cuddled up under the blanket. Petunia. Hey, here's my girl. This is Petunia, everybody. She is a tuxedo cat, just like Boo. And we're hanging out, having my chocolate shake. What are you saying, everybody? See that little mark on her right eye here? She was, as a kitten, she was scratched. Look at that, by her sibling. And she has a scar tissue in her eye. But the vet said she's fine. Is she cute? You're so pretty. You look like a little alien right now. My little Petunia. So it's lean and green time. And I'm going to end it with this clip because this video is like 2 days already. So we have 5 ounces of pork. And I put Dijon mustard and half a tablespoon of Pecorino Romano cheese on there. I cooked it in the air fryer at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. Came out perfectly. And I have some cucumber slices on the side. And that's lean and green. So technically you don't need to have a fat with this, even though the pork is extremely lean. But I went with half a tablespoon of the cheese. I can use it as a condiment if I want. And that's dinner. So I will see you guys tomorrow. We're going to do an unboxing of the new products that I got in from Optavia. And thank you for your support. Stay focused. And as I always say to you guys, we can do this. Yes, we can, as long as we do it together. Have a great night, you guys.